Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am once again in front of you all with a new topic. Right now I am going to discuss about at this moment about the process of photosynthesis, because photosynthesis is a process by which the plants prepare their own food, or we human beings or any other organism or animals are depending directly or indirectly upon the plants for their mode of nutrition, because plants in whole environment have only the capacity to convert the light energy of sun into the carbohydrate or into the chemical energy, and indirectly or directly we get that chemical energy and store in the different forms just to utilize it whenever the time is required. So guys, we are now going to discuss about the process of photosynthesis. For the complete knowledge of this process, please be with me till the end of the video. So guys, photosynthesis is a process in which the inorganic substance, it means what? The inorganic substance are the chemicals, that is the carbon dioxide, which is, and also the molecules of water, which is break down into the simplest form to form the carbohydrate molecule. So that breaks the H2O molecules breaks into the simplest form in the presence of sunlight, and that sunlight is captured by a chemical which is present in the green leaves of the plant, and that is called the what? Chlorophyll. I know you all know about this because you have studied it in standard 9th, that these are the different types of cell organelles which are present in the plant cell. So right now we are going to discuss about that pigment here, because the pigment chlorophyll is very essential for the plants just to prepare their own food, because in the absence of this pigment the plants are not able to absorb the sunlight, and if they will not absorb the sunlight they cannot transform the light energy into the chemical energy. So guys, most essential pigment is the chlorophyll, that is required by the plant, by the green plants, just to convert the solar energy into the chemical energy. It means the sunlight into the chemical form. And the different two things are also required in this process, that is the molecule of water and the molecule of carbon dioxide. So water molecules breaks down into the oxygen and also forms or reduced to form carbohydrates. So guys, if we go through with these things, so this is the energy product of the plant. This is in the form of carbohydrate, and the plants always use this energy, and if it is also made in the extra form, then it is stored in the form of starch in the plant's body parts. So the whole green body of the plant, whenever whether it is a stem, whether it is the leaf, it doesn't matter, the whole green plant's body are capable to make or prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, CO2 and water. So this is the whole process of photosynthesis, by which the green plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of and water and oxygen. If we will see it in the equation form, in the formula form, then it is C6H12O6 plus 6CO2. Then we will put an arrow there, and we will on the upper part of the arrow we will write that sunlight, and in the lower part in the presence of chlorophyll. We are not going to write in the presence of chlorophyll, we will just slightly write chlorophyll there on the upper side and on the lower side of the arrow, and then after in the product form we will write it down, the C6H12O6, that is the formula of carbohydrate, which is the food, which is the energy giving product that we get from the CO2 and H2O whenever we make this reaction, or whenever this reaction is capable to occur in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Then we will get a product, that is the C6H12O6, that is the carbohydrate and which is the energy product of the plants, and also we have to get, and also we are going to get oxygen molecules. 6 oxygen molecules are also be present in the product part of the equation, and some molecules of waters are also be produced. So this is the whole equation of the photosynthesis process. Once again I am going to recite it, that is 6CO2. In the presence of sunlight we will put it down, put it over the arrow marks, and in the presence of chlorophyll we will put it down into the lower part of the arrow marks, and in the result side we will write it down C6H12O6 and 6H2O plus 6O2. So this is the process by which the carbon dioxide is also converted into the oxygen, which is really necessary for the human beings and animals just to complete the respiration process and to complete breakdown of the energy. So this is the whole process of photosynthesis. Hope you all have liked it and enjoyed it video. I think the image of the photosynthesis process is being cleared in your mind, and about the significance of this process and about the principles and about events that occurs inside this process, I'm going to discuss about all these things in the next upcoming videos. So please keep watching my channel. Thank you so much for giving your attention and love.